Alright, today we're going to talk about half sections. It's not going to take us very long because we already talked about full sections. The thing about a full section, it shows you the entire interior of the part. For instance, here's D13 that we just finished up on. It's cutting all the way through the part. You're seeing the entire interior of the part. Well, sometimes we want to just see half of the interior and half of the exterior. That's where we get a half section. Right here we have a pulley or some sort of part that's cutting a quarter of it out. But what this allows you to do, if you're looking in the direction of the arrow, this part is going to be taken out, which is what you see right here. It's been taken out. And then you're looking back here, the arrow comes around the outside. You're seeing the exterior of the part, and then you're seeing the interior of the part. The cutting plane line, the line of view, the section lining, everything still applies that we talked about on the last unit. This is going to be your part for the next time, and it's showing you an idler V-belt pulley. The only thing that you will need to have corrected, and I'll make sure that I make note of this, but this where it says 1/8 inch over to the oil hole, it should be 3/8. They've got that messed up, so it'll be 3/8 for that dimension right there. Now, I've actually got a part that looks like the part you have here on the thing. So if I had this part laying down, you're looking at this view, looking straight down on this part, and the cutting plane line is saying, all right, we're going to remove this section of the part. We're going to look in this direction. So I'll flip it around. We're looking in this direction, and here's what you're going to see. You're going to see everywhere the blade touched is going to have the section lining on it, and you're going to see the interior of the part. Now, my part has a couple of extra holes. It's got a threaded hole here where that one doesn't, and it's also got a keyway down here that one does not have. But it's relatively the same part. Looks pretty close to that. Alright, you see all the things about the part, but then you also see the exterior of the part down here. That's exactly what a half section does. It shows you half the exterior and half the interior. Now, these are the only two types of section views that we're going to discuss in this class. There's many other types of section views. For instance, there's offset section views where you could have a line that goes through in different spots. You could have a detail section view where you just take a cross section of a certain part of it. There's all kinds of different section views, but half and full are the only kinds that we're going to discuss this semester. Do your work for D14 will be this right here. The only mistake that I see is the 1/8 inch should be 3/8. Everything else should be alright on it. If you have any questions, let me know.